Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make these beautiful crochet gloves. They are super easy, unique and perfect for winters to keep your hand warm and cozy. So let's get started. For this project we need yarn. Here I am using multicolor yarn, a scissors and a crochet hook. First, hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, next make 9 chains on top. After making 9 chains, now we will make single crochet stitches on each chain. Continue making single crochet stitches. To start a new row, always make one chain to keep the line balance. From the next row, continue making single crochet stitches but only in the back loop of each stitch. Making single crochet stitches in back loop. This gives a nice wavy texture. Keep repeating the same pattern until the piece matches the size of your wrist. Here is wavy texture ready, you see clearly in this video. Once the length fits, join both edges together with a slip stitch. Continue making slip stitch until join both edges. Then make one chain on top and continue make one round of single crochet stitch. I will show you clearly in this video. Finish with the slip stitch at the end. Now for the next round we will make double crochet stitches. Start with 3 chains on top. Skip 2 stitches and in the third chain make 2 double crochet. Then chain 1 and 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. This form a cute leaf or flower shape. Skip 2 stitches again and repeat the same pattern until the round is complete. I made 11 leaves in total and then close the round with the slip stitch. For the next row, start with 3 chains and make the same leaf pattern in the center chain space of each leaf below. Continue making the same pattern until complete 4 rows. In 5th row we will make the thumb space. Now for the thumb space in the 5th row, after making 4 leaves, skip 3 leaves to create a thumb gap. Join the yarn after the skip part. Three chains again for double crochet. Turn the pattern and continue making leaf pattern again. The thumb side is ready. From the 5th row onward, make 3 more rows following the same pattern. Finish the round with the slip stitch. Cut the extra yarn. Lock in the end. Now take your crochet hook and hide the leftover yarn clearly. And that's it. Your fingerless crochet gloves are ready for the cozy winter vibes. They look stylish, warm, and absolutely handmade with love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorial. Comment below and tell me what you want to see in my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video.